Hi teacher, my dear classmates. So this video I'm gonna talk about the step number 3. So I'm gonna show you how was my score, and I'm gonna respond 3 questions. The first question is content where the teacher is working, where and here I'm gonna do a little interview about myself. I am gonna explain where I work as a guest teacher in my practice. So my name is Andrea Tornade. I am currently doing my pedagogical project at the university, more specific in relay strategy, where the relay strategy is a space where foreign language undergraduate students can improve the teaching skills thought it say teaching is also a space for many to improve their skill and knowledge in English. Well, in my case, I think Lily is a great scenario where you can do your practice because you're gonna always have a different moment where you can put practice your English level. So this is a good scenario. So the question number 2 is problem is question of the accident. A serious problem that is begins in delay strategy is that many students are not attending classes since there has been case of students who have not gone to the class and any day. Since many do not have free time or have a very loud level in English, and even because some get worried. Um, so the question number 2, I'm gonna talk about some solution that I think is we can improve. We're gonna we're gonna do solution about that problem. Well, the first is one of the changes that I have met is that the student can talk about what they did during the weekend when there is a mistake, correct in a pedagogical way, and that is a motivate a lot of them. Because I gonna ask you, Darwin, well, whatever. Man, how was your weekend teacher? My week was good because that made that they feel so comfortable. Have I used many education search such as some, but not just some, but some that spread English speaking culture. That is the reason that we need to teach culture. We need to that our students love English, which helps yeah, you learn a lot, and part of that they learn a lot also. Uh, I have lived interactive dials where they can work of them in a Jones way or happy way. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See ya.